There are many hiking poles products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best hiking poles from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Ahoya Trekking Poles. Rating 4.5. Ahoya walking stick hiking have a super shock absorbing design. The shockproof springs can reduce the pressure on the knees, hips, back, elbows, and shoulders, making hiking and hiking more comfortable. Not only is the poles easy to adjust, but also not easy to bend. Tougher than carbon fiber, Ahoya trekking poles are suitable for mountaineering, hiking, skiing, walking, and other outdoor activities. Our collapsible walking poles provides the best choice for lighter and stronger poles for hikers, walkers, backpackers, campers. It is also one of the best choices for holiday gifts. Number 4. Get Out Gear. Rating 4.8. 50% thicker carbon fiber shafts for maximum strength and confidence. Field serviceable, tool-free design ensures reliability and ease of use, so mechanical failures won't hinder your next adventure. Wicking cork handles and ultra-plush hand straps provide exceptional grip, breathability, and wrist support for enhanced comfort on long hikes. Adjustable and collapsible. Telescoping design adjusts from 24 to 55 inches, 61 to 140 centimeters, making it suitable for kids and adults of all ages, and easily packs down for travel and storage. Number 3. King Gear Carbon Fiber. Rating 4.9. The King Gear trekking poles are meticulously crafted from premium carbon fiber, assuring maximum strength while maintaining a lightweight profile. They are perfect for long-distance walking and are a backpacking essential. With an easy-to-adjust mechanism, these hiking poles can be modified to suit hikers of all sizes. They are compact, making them easy to carry around during your outdoor adventures. Equipped with an advanced anti-shock mechanism, these trekking poles provide excellent stability, absorbing shock during your hike. Number 2. T-Carbon. Rating 5.0. Our carbon fiber trekking poles feature a 3-fold adjustable folding design. They can fold up to less than 15 inches for easy portability, and are perfect for hikers, through hikers, and uphill skiers and snowshoers to carry in their bags. Carbon walking sticks for hiking can be adjusted in length 45 to 53.5 inches long. Please be careful not to exceed stop when you set the desired length. The locking system also has a nut that can be adjusted loosely and tightly, which can be easily adjusted manually to enhance the overall locking strength. Please confirm the screw is tightened when using. Number 1. Black Diamond Pursuit. Rating 5.0. Unisex adjustable trekking hiking poles with 100 to 125 centimeters range and ergonomic SM grip size. Ergonomic cork grip and grip top designed to improve comfort and reduce hand fatigue. Grip extensions made from bloom and algae-infused foam for additional hand positions. Solution 2.0 wrist straps made from post-consumer recycled fibers. Soft Touch Flick Lock Plus makes for quick and easy adjustments. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.